There you go. What do you got there, Tatum?
Beetles.
And what else?
Worms.
Are they grubs?
Yeah.
Yeah. We're camping at Big Ridge State Park. It's me and Auden and Tatum and Mommy. That's Grammy and Grammy's tent. And we are on Norris Lake. You can see that here. That's the lake there. Some guys down there fishing for crappie. See them there? And what we did is we went out and we caught some beetles and grubs. And Tatum's playing with them beetles and grubs. Go ahead, Tatum, show them. Back up so we can see them. I don't know if they're going to come out.
Let's put them back in the cup that we put them in before.
Oh no, they're doing good. And Tatum can hear them singing. So everybody be quiet, see if we can hear them singing. That's it. That's it. And there's the Easter eggs we colored. Here comes Mommy with Tana. Hi, Mommy.
Hi.
Where were you?
Talking to the mushroom hunters.
And how'd they do?
The guy down here, the single guy?
Yep.
90 at the second site.
We got 2 at the first.
She got 12 at the second site. That's disgusting.
She pets them and then they sing.
Nah.
There go the crappie fishermen. Go ahead, Tatum, make them sing. Come here, Mom, you gotta listen close.